Hi guys, welcome back. So my idea for today is to make a bit more room in here. Now I've finished the carport at the side, the covered workshop, the breezeway, however you want to. One thing I can now do is move this bench. I'd actually planned to get rid of this bench, take it in pieces, but now I've got that, I'm going to move it in there to replace a little temporary bench I made about 2 years ago, so my wife Lynn can put a seed tray on it. So I'm going to move this from here and put it in there permanently, which means it gives me this area now to then start to create a bench. Also means I can finish that far corner first. I've still got some materials left from the carport build, so I'm going to use that material to continue framing out this back wall. And then also all this Douglas fir that I've got stood up here, which is to close all the gaps up around the perimeter of the barn. I'm going to also fashion some storage in there for that and these longer length tongue and groove bolts, because at the moment it's just a bit chaotic. I've still got a trolley full of power tools there. This is the landing from the old staircase we had in the house before I made the new one. Straight out of the box. Right, well, I'm happy with that. I've got that storage space on the floor. I've got the bench in there. I've got my materials out of the workshop, so I've got a lot more room in the workshop. Oh dear. Nice one here, isn't it? I'm quite happy with that afternoon's work. So I've used one of the 3 lengths of timber I had left from the carport. I just want to use the rest of the materials I've got left. I'm still going to have to buy a few more lengths just to continue to actually plumb this wall up, and then I can get this wall boarded. Then once I get the wall boarded, I can start actually constructing benches in this corner. 802. Right then, so I'm out of timber again. Well, that took a lot longer to do than I thought, and it just shows you how square this back wall was. So now it's plumb and level. I can put these in here, these little offcuts. Out of all the tools that I bought, the only one that I've really duplicated is bringing the DeWalt. So now I've got DeWalt and the Evolution. And actually it's quite interesting now to see them side by side. The Evolution is miles bigger than the DeWalt. It's actually quite small and compact, which is why it was so good in the small loft workshop.
Not a mile bigger, stop exaggerating.
It's miles bigger. It's the biggest one anybody's ever seen. Which is why it was perfect. Which is why it was perfect in the small loft workshop. Now then, you two, play nice. Having a look? No, they're not sticks. Here's all the aluminium T sections that I took off my old outdoor workbench. By far the heaviest tool that I've brought. Really looking forward to having this here because I've got a lot more opportunity to run materials through it. Never really did it justice in the small loft workshop, and it was by far the noisiest tool I owned. I'm going to call this episode here. I've done some more of that back wall. It's ready for installation now. In a couple of days time I'm going to go back to the UK, do a little bit of work, and then I'm going to come back with the last car full of stuff, some for the house, some clothing, but there is some tools to come in here. There's the Evolution stand and its saw and the vacuum cleaner. There's another couple of large plastic boxes of hand tools, and there's all the lights for in here. Oh, there's my Trend air helmet as well. So thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoy this video, as always, give me a thumbs up. If you've not seen this content before and you would like to see some more from this workshop, then please hit the subscribe button, and until next time, bye.